Let's talk about going for 7 keys creatively without pulling a fast one. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Day 980 of our What's She Up To Now, documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And as part of that, I share on here what I'm doing every day, what's working, what's not, what I wish I had never done, what I wasted my time on, and then things I wish I'd learned and done much sooner. And one of those things is sharing content every day. I wish I had started when people first started telling me to share content and to give value and to give away everything you know, share everything you know. I wish I had started sooner. But like everybody else, I was afraid. I didn't know what to share. I didn't think anybody would want to listen or care. And so it was at least 6 months, probably more like it was a year for sure, before I started actually producing and sharing content out with the world. And ever since then, I've done it pretty much every day, with the exception of this particular segment. I did not post my live. I did the videos, but I didn't post them from my cruise last November. And Christmas Day, I got sick. I got really sick over Christmas holiday last year, and Christmas Day was the one day I could not get off the bed or couch enough to do a video. I couldn't do it. I was very, very sick. And it was like coughing up a lung, hacking up a lung, so I couldn't even have done a video, a short video that wasn't, nobody wants to listen to that. So Christmas Day I didn't do one, but otherwise I've done one every day. Since I started doing videos consistently. Now remember, it was a year or so of doing stuff and playing with stuff and making mistakes and not sharing them until I realized, okay, I should be documenting my journey. And I've got vision challenges, so as my vision has been deteriorating and everything gets done very messily with a magnifying glass, etc., and a giant screen TV, I've learned that it's not possible for me to write out and document in writing what I'm doing, so I decided I would do it through this video segment. And today, our Get Up and Go challenge, we're doing a 365-day fun challenge. And I just said the wrong thing. Our fun challenge was about the top 5 creative activities. It's our top 5 most fun creative things that we do. And one of mine was creating content. And so the Get Up and Go challenge today, day 4, was all about the 7 key areas and aspects of our life, right? Physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, and contribution. Each of those 7 areas of our life are critical and key. They interrelate, they work together. We can't really do one without the other, with the exception maybe of contribution. But contribution is how we show up in the world, how we interact with the rest of the world, things outside of us. Everything else are all the other 6 areas are pretty much internal things, although relationships are external as well. Physical is external. I guess a lot of them are how we interact with our outside world. But Get Up and Go challenge was about that. What are the 7 areas, and then what are the top 3 for you, and then how would you rank them priority order in terms of what's most important and least important of those 7 categories for you right now, because it changes over time. I was sharing the example of 10 years ago, physical was number 7 for me. It was the thing that came last. Dealing with my physical health and well-being was the last on the list of everything else that I had to get done. Taking care of my kids, taking care of my businesses, everything. It was by far the last. I didn't exercise, I didn't eat right, I didn't take care of myself, and it resulted in me having a massive major health challenge. So now, for the last 10 years or so, physical has been my number 1 priority. It's been my first thing. It's the first thing I think about, do, and participate in when I wake up every day. And it's actually the first thing I'm grateful for every day when I wake up, is that I did wake up. So talking about the 7 keys, I'm going to put those down so I stop playing with them. And then pulling a fast one, because pulling a fast one was our idiom for Supersize Your Business today, where we learned about where does that expression come from and how might it be impacting us in our lives and our businesses today. And even if it isn't us personally and specifically, some of these idioms have been around for hundreds of years or centuries, and if they have, they might not be impacting us, but they're definitely impacting other people that we interact with on a regular basis. And so that's one of the reasons it's important to understand and know them. And today it was pulling a fast one, which to me is, the epitome of how we don't want to behave in business, how we don't want to grow our business. Now, we want to act fast, but we don't want to ever deceive or take advantage of people or not provide excellent value in terms of our products and services. So those are the content things that I shared today. And I already did tomorrow's for the Get Up and Go challenge. I'm doing a 30-day free Get Up and Go challenge. This is the 4th time I've done a 30-plus day one. this year. It just seemed so appropriate for the times and what's been going on in our world. We have to always know what to do that's in our best interest to guarantee that we'll be better off after a change or a challenge or a setback or an obstacle or anything that we face, because challenges can be good, right? Just like stress, believe it or not, can be good. There's de-stress and there's eustress. Eustress is stress in the form of positive ways to get us to change and grow and become more of what we're meant to be. De-stress is when we're overly stressed out and we're having too much negative experiences from change and challenges and things. So that is it. That's what I'm working on. I'm going to cut this short. Go out, make it an absolutely amazing day. If I can help you in any way, ask in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow to update you on what I'm doing, what's working, what's not, and answer any questions you may have. Take care.